Typography.
Typography.
Typography new design in Adobe Illustrator. In this tutorial, we will explore a brand new method for creating stunning typography designs in Adobe Illustrator. I'll walk you through the process of crafting beautiful and unique text styles using innovative techniques. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this step-by-step guide will help you elevate your typography skills and add a fresh touch to your design projects. Let's dive into the world of creative lettering and discover the art of beautiful typography together. Welcome to HLGRAPHICS. Let's conquer the world of graphics.
First, you will write your text. Here I am writing typography. And for this, I have chosen a very cool font. The name is Adobe Omnibus. This font will be absolutely free. 100% free for personal use and commercial use. I make sure to tell you about fonts in all my tutorials, and I mostly use free fonts. Also see here I have taken a very beautiful font, which we will create outlines and also ungroup.
Now, we're going to take a big circle and convert it to a stroke, and adjust its thickness to match the size of the alphabet, and set it to. This will be set on top of the 2Y sticks, and then we will take another circle which will be smaller in size.
This small circle will cross R. After setting them both, we'll expand the circle, and after that we'll group everyone.
Go to Pathfinder and click on the partition, right-click the mouse and ungroup. In this way, all the parts will be separated. And some parts of it we will delete, and we'll let some stay. Go see yourself. We will increase the size of some alphabets. Let's see how I resize using the direct selection tool. This way the design looks more beautiful. Now we will add some circles to it which we will place on their edges. This is how this design is complete. You can also make many similar designs. We'll definitely check out my other videos as well. Thank you very much for watching the video.